All right, welcome back to Omni Garage. So we have here Bilt Hamber Trace-Less. I'm gonna say it now, this is my favorite detailing chemical of probably all time, to be fair. There's some good detailing chemicals. This is just absolutely magical. It was quite funny. We've had this bottle here for 2 weeks now. Glenn came around the other day and I gave him this bottle and I said, what I want you to do is go outside. There was a car parked outside, dirty windscreen. And I said, I want you to use this product just like a noob, like an absolute novice, no idea.
No, you said to me, spray this product onto the car like your brother-in-law would use it.
Okay.
So that's what I did. So Jeremy, if you're watching this video, you're probably not.
You're probably not.
I sprayed it on like you would clean it.
Yep.
And
we're talking soak the windscreen down, way too much product. And then when you came along to remove it with the towel, you didn't do a great job either. You just kind of went for the real quick window clean. And what was your reaction?
So let's back it up. So I think a glass cleaner is I think cleaning glass is one of the hardest things you can ever do as a detailer.
Yep.
I think it's really hard to get that nice smear-free finish. Cleaning the inside of the windscreen inside the car is one of the worst experiences you'll ever have.
Yep.
It's hot, it's sweaty, it's awful. You're buffing like crazy, and that is the first thing that your customer is going to see when they pick the car up.
Well,
they're going to see the smears, they're going to see where you missprayed, they're going to see that and they're going to go, the boys at Omni Garage, yep, they've got my clean car looking nice and clean, but man, they suck at cleaning glass.
What's frustrating too, especially when you're cleaning interior glass, what's frustrating is that you're chasing smearing, you're chasing streaking. Like, I think the actual process of cleaning glass is really simple, but what we often find is we're in there with the, the microfiber towel from the rag company, or we're using the Stoner clean and reach tool to really try and buff out. It's not to clean the glass, we're trying to remove all of the streaking that's left behind, and that's where the Bilt Hamber product has absolutely.
I sprayed it on, I didn't wipe it properly, and that product flashes beautifully. You come back, it's streak free. It seems to be a really nice cleaning process. And I said to Glenn, I think out of all the detailing products I've tried, I mean, there's a whole heap there, there's a whole heap in the cabinet. You've seen all the videos we make. That is the only product that I've used that I've really been like, wow. And I don't like to say this very often, but kind of life-changing in the detailing world.
It is.
That glass cleaner is the best.
So Bilt Hamber advertise it as a super wetting glass cleaner. And basically the way that they advertise this, or the way that they've marketed this product, is they're comparing to existing glass cleaners that are on the market that leave something behind. So if you have a look at the back of the bottle right here, what they're saying is traditional glass cleaners contain non-evaporating surfactants and soaps. Okay? Those can leave something behind on the surface, causing that streaking and smearing that we see. Bilt Hamber has a unique super wetting, so we don't really know what this is, but it's 100% evaporating surfactant. So
the surfactant's doing all the cleaning.
Yep.
But it is being evaporated,
100% evaporating, and it is game changing. So let's show you on a few different surfaces here, and I want you to just see how easy this is to clean glass. And then we'll show you in some household uses as well, because this is not...
What is the scent of that product?
Well, the scent is like I would say lemonade-y.
So it's got that glass cleaning.
It definitely smells like a glass cleaner.
Chemical, that sort of alcohol type base smell. So the camera can have a smell. I reckon it's cherry scent. I think it's cherry. When you spray that, the reason why this is very interesting, and the guys at the rag company have just sort of talked about a blind testing where they use the Geon product line, and they were saying that it was really hard for a glass cleaner to be good that contains a scent, because what's happening is the scent is responsible a lot of the time for producing the smeariness.
Correct, so it's leaving something behind.
So Bilt Hamber have managed to create a glass cleaner that cleans really well, leaves nothing behind, but it's got the scent of what I think is probably cherry related.
I was expecting to have no scent.
Yeah, same.
When I open this bottle, and it's really pleasant. Like
the marketing's very clean, it's very professional, like it's very scientific, it's not like wow, and the website's not wow. They just have a really good line of products, and it just looks well. It looks quite industrial or very clinical type.
It's very similar bottle design to like a Koch Chemie as well.
Yeah.
I think it really easy to compare there. So let's try it on the side windscreen to start with, and we're just using it like any other glass cleaner. Like I would miss this on the surface. So I've sprayed quite a bit. What I find as well is it does quite a good job at clinging to the surface for the most part. Yeah, look, we're getting a little bit of run here, but the remaining bits of the product.
That comes to that super wetting surfactant that they've got in there.
Correct. Right? So what I find with this product is that it's really slick.
So we can see on your first wipe, there's that smear on there.
Correct. But the thing is here, I don't need to hit a second wipe. Any other glass cleaner right now, I need to go in with a second wipe. Look, I will.
I'm going to struggle to show you on the camera, but you can see it's like completely evaporated.
There's nothing left behind. It is just so easy to clean glass. So what I'm going to show you, I think we'll be able to see it better on the
I think this is the type of product that you can give the person who doesn't know anything about cleaning anything. You could give it to your grandma and she'd still be able to clean the perfect glass.
So come on over from this angle here. Come on over my shoulder. Let's apply it. Quite a bit of product there too, way more than I do for like an invisible glass. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe the glass like this, and I'm going to walk away now.
So I can see right there with the light is I can see the smearing, yep.
And we're just going to wait. And very, very quickly, it starts to evaporate and disappear completely. You're not fighting with this. If you come down, is it still evaporating on camera?
It's still evaporating on camera.
Yeah. Come down here. This is a little test. Can you see this here?
Yep, very good.
I have not wiped any of that product away. We're going to come back to that in a few minutes because the droplets on the surface, they are going to completely evaporate and leave no marking on there. So while we're waiting for those droplets that we haven't wiped to evaporate on the front windscreen, we'll come to this, this rear window, and this is just so easy. So this window here, just kind of ignore the tint needs replacing. It's got some scratching on it. This is tint safe. But I just find this is effortless. Like I'm not really needing to chase my tail here at all. I can come in, give it a wipe. I mean, it's flashing pretty much completely away. I don't even need to come behind with my second wipe there. Like
there is a bit of smeariness on the corner here.
Whereabouts? Just here.
Just above the scratch here.
It's really where we haven't wiped it very well, but even if we just do that, like you'll see that that will evaporate away.
I really like the second wipe that you're about to do.
Yeah.
It's super slick, it feels really nice.
Well, that's it. The product just feels really, really slick. And then we can close that up. You've got no streak in there. We've got a pretty dirty windscreen or window here. Couple of spritzers. And like I don't feel like I'm agitating the surface very hard either because it is very lubricating on the surface. Flip it over. That's when you get the real slickness out of it. But as you can see, we're not chasing ourselves here. We're just walking away and it evaporates to a really clean finish. Like I have found I have been really lazy with some of the glass cleaning, and the evaporation of this product just makes the process such a breeze. So I'm going to show you where in the house you want to use this product as well. TV in the garage, we get overspray, we get all sorts on here. I'm going to give this a really lazy clean in the corner, and then I'm going to show you a little trick with it. So a couple of spritzers, and when I talk about lazy, I mean I'm just going to give it a very, very quick wipe like that. And on the TV, you can pretty quickly see that the product starts to flash away. That's going to leave nothing behind there, but really how I want to show you how good this evaporation is I'm going to do that.
No, spray some more on there.
Yeah.
Because we can't see it on the camera.
Come up closer though.
It just sort of blues away though. Oh, there we go. So there you go.
But we got a lot on there. We're going to come back to that. That'll probably take 5 or 6 minutes, but that will disappear completely. There will be nothing left on the surface there.
And then while we've been filming this, if we come back to our original spot here on the windscreen, where we sprayed it on, you'll be able to see those dirt dots there?
The dirt was there because remember we sprayed down here, we didn't wipe to this point, but we have walked away.
And the product has flashed and it's all dried, it's evaporated, we can't see any product on there. And then if we come up to the side here where we saw a little bit of smeariness and a little bit of overspray where Glenn hadn't wiped, that product has all flashed away. So now if you were to come down here and wipe, you'd have nice clean area.
Well, I mean, we can spray this into the towel as well, a couple of sprays there. Give that a bit of a wipe. Does a really good job at cleaning as well. So it doesn't just evaporate away well, it does a great job at cleaning. And I think the way that we can show you guys this is, let's come outside here. Let's pick a car from the fleet. This one's pretty dirty, but I reckon we head to this one. And you got a pretty dirty windscreen on here, right?
Well, I thought I did, but it's actually been raining, so it probably isn't that dirty. What do we got? Got any bugs on here? No, not really. What about around the back?
Yeah,
is it dirty at the back?
Well, what about here?
Oh, yeah, here you go. Can we see that mark on the camera?
I think we can, yep. So let's give this back windscreen a clean.
That might be on the inside.
It could be on the inside.
That could be awkward,
I think it's on the outside. It's on the outside.
There you go.
And we
nice
do.
And clean. If we come around to the back, oh, here we go. Look at all this.
Okay.
Look at all this dirt on the back here.
We have a pretty dirty windscreen. Should we clean this whole windscreen?
Yeah, go on. So hang on, let me just show everybody.
This is really dirty. And I'm not even introducing a new clean towel here. Let's keep using the same towel we've got.
This is super hard to show that dirt and grime up the top.
Oh, I mean, look at this though.
Yeah.
It's filthy.
Do another line like that, just so we can really see how bad it is.
Yeah. OG. Subscribe.
Subscribe, can we see that? Probably not.
Come
OG.
over this angle, you can see it.
Am I better over this side?
Yep.
What do you reckon?
Look at that.
Right.
Okay.
Clean that windscreen for us.
Give it a clean. So I'm going to give it a soak down. A lot of product. Like a lot of other products, I wouldn't spray that much on the surface because it would be very hard to remove. But hopefully you can see there, as we're going, like it is almost flashing immediately. Very quick, rough second wipe, not organised.
So not only does it flash really well, but it cleans really good. So look at, show me that dirty side of the towel.
Look at that.
So it's pulled off all that dirt, grime, all that dust. We've driven a couple of, I don't know, 100, 150 odd kilometres over the weekend, and so
windscreen.
And that was pretty effortless. Like, this car wasn't clean, it hadn't been washed previously. We just came in there, wiped it off. It's buffed nice and dry to touch, nice and clean, super easy.
And if you have a look at the instructions on the bottle, we've kind of just followed step one. So atomize a fine mist. That wasn't a fine mist, we soaked that down heavy. Use your waffle weave microfiber. Saying here for maximum smear-free cleaning, come behind with a suede microfiber. So we just don't find that necessary at all. Like, yeah, look, we could hit this window again right now, just a mist of product, and we could give it another wipe down. It is really slick at this point. So when you get to that second application, even the second wipe of the first application, it is super, super slick. And I just find it is so refreshing not having to chase streaking on the surface, especially when you're working in tight corners in the interior. Like, this is fantastic. Let's go back inside. Let's have a look at that TV.
So what you can see here after, I don't know, was this 5 minutes or so of the product drying on the surface here, you could see where Glenn had sprayed it, and you can see, like, I don't know, are these dust spots, dirt spots? I'm really closely analysing this, but you can see that the product has basically dried, flashed away, to nothing left on the surface there. So if you were to clean this TV, which I think it's quite dirty, but it would clean really nice and easy. So that just goes to show that if you're going to be lazy with your glass cleaner, you're going to spray this on, you're going to do a couple of wipes, maybe you've got garage lighting that's really poor. I know that I struggle with poor lighting. You wipe it down, you think you've done a really good job, and you come back the next day, you're like, yeah, I'm off to the mount to do a couple of laps in the car, nice sunny day, and you walk in here and you go, car looks good, glass looks terrible. I think this product is really going to save you bacon. I think it flashes away really easy, super nice, clean product to use, really easy. And I was like blown away when Glenn showed me this product. I thought, oh yeah, glass cleaners, yeah, I've heard some good things about it. People do talk it's good, but man, this product is very close to life-changing. I think this is a product you want to have on your shelf if you can buy it. Now, I know in New Zealand, you cannot buy this product locally. It is a real pain to buy. We definitely have to shop around. We definitely have to import this in. If you're in the US, it's probably a little bit harder as well because this is a UK-based product. I do know that there are some American distributors who are trying to get this product available for you guys, but if you can get your hands on this product, you will not be disappointed. You need to buy lots of it. This is a glass cleaner you're going to be using on your car, around the house all the time. This is the only glass cleaner Glenn and I are ever going to use. If we can continue to buy it.
Well, we bought a gallon. So we've got a gallon in the cabinet.
Got a gallon?
Back there. We do. So
Okay.
we're going to be all right for... Do you know what? I'm saying we're going to be all right for quite some time. We're going to clean our glass a lot. You're going to start cleaning your laptop with this. You're going to clean your TV with it. You're going to clean, like, I don't know, the glass in your oven.
We have done a lot of cleaning and we've used about this much.
Yeah.
So I think you're going to get some good mileage out of a bottle. You're definitely going to get even more mileage you're getting out of a gallon, but I think you want to buy both. Gallon to restock your litre bottle like this so it looks really nice on the shelf. But go and buy yourself a product. Go and get some. You won't be disappointed. But that's it from Omni Garage. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content because we're looking for those little gems of detailing products to help create a sort of group of products that Glenn and I like to use, a group of products that are really easy for us to use in our detailing business, and a group of products that our customers like to experience in their vehicles.
This has made the cut. I reckon you wander around there and go.
You reckon this made the cut?
Pop it in its
pop it in its
rightful spot.
What are you turning all of them this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Labels out.
Labels out.
Sprayers to the left.
Is that gonna be all right with you, sir?
I think that'll be fine. It's made the cut. It's
look
part
at
of
that.
that interior section.
You do have quite a nice cut. I don't know this is all the quite cut, but damn, that's definitely going to be a staple for some time. And I'm really happy that we've actually solved the glass cleaning issue that we've had with that product. So that's it from Omni Garage. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more products like this. See you later.